Hello friends, this is the unboxing of Bajaj DX7 dry iron which I bought from Flipkart for a price of rupees 649. So it's a lightweight dry iron with good reviews and ratings. So let's remove the bubble wrap. The actual price of the product is rupees 949. It's actually a good discount. The product has got 2 years warranty. So here are some of the product details. Now let's unbox it. Here comes the dry iron. It's well protected. This is the warranty card. It has got a nice 3D hologram of Bajaj. This is the instruction manual. The sole is well protected. It has got a non-stick coating, gold in color, looks cool. This is the temperature knob with different settings for different clothes. It has got a 1.7 meter cord with dual cord outlet. Here are some instructions to read before first use. Unwind the cord, remove the sticker, connect to power source, adjust the knob to set the temperature which is indicated by the green pilot light. Ignore the fumes from inside for 1 or 2 cycles. Use a damp cloth to clean the remains of the adhesives. And in case of malfunction, always visit the service center instead of taking it apart by yourself to avoid the risk of electrical shock. So I'm going to power it on. It's working fine. Removing the adhesives. Going to test it. Okay, it's working fine. So that's a good piece of product from Bajaj. So that was the unboxing and first use of Bajaj DX7 dry iron. Hope the video was helpful. Peace.